Hey guys, Mike Lukens, Affluent Journeys here. Today I'm at SFO, San Francisco, and I'm flying to Fort Lauderdale on Virgin America. That's my airplane there. I think it's a Airbus A320, and it's about 5 or 6 hours the flights. They're just loading up all the food right now. So I'm flying in coach today, not business, not first class. They wanted 10 times what they wanted for coach for first class, so I'm just going to fly coach today. I'll show you the seat, show you the onboard experience, and hope you like it. So they started the boarding with first class, rows 1 and 2, and also the Elevate Gold members. So second up, they board the select cabins if you have the Virgin America credit card or you're a silver member. Alright, so after that, then everyone who has priority on their pass gets to go, and that's not me. Alright. Thank you. First one in Group A. That makes me feel special. And they got kind of like the purple lighting here in the ramp like they have inside the cabin that you'll see here in just a second. We got a snap here, that's nice. Gonna make it?
Yeah.
And this is how the regular seats look here in the bulkhead row. And we got row 9 here is the exit row with extra legroom. Plenty empty seats so far, but they'll all be full to kind of see how things look. See, it looks like a strip club in here. So that's me, I'm in 24th seat. Jump in my seats. Infotainment system here, it's all touchscreen. And we're in an A320, I was wrong, not A310. We haven't taken off yet, but this is how it looks once the airplane is all settled in. Now we're playing the safety video. See, they're wearing their Banana Republic uniforms here. Alright, so this is really cheap. The snaps are broken. So on this side they have Velcro, on this side they have nothing, and you can't put the snap in there, it's impossible. So the thing just hangs down like this. How cheap is that? Alright, so we're up in the air, we finally took off, and I just want to show you the red infotainment system. It's touchscreen, and you can also use the remote control that's stuck down there in the armrest. So you can watch various TV shows, including Dish Satellite TV. US Open Tennis is on today. They got documentaries on demand, all that kind of stuff. They got music on demand. They got games. Got chat, so you can chat from seat to seat. You have all their information there. I suppose you can apply for the credit card if you want. You can order food off the menu here as well. So what you do is you just order it here. You swipe your credit card here, and whenever you want, they bring it straight to your seat. So they don't even bring the carts up and down the aisles. Here on Virgin America. Also shop and buy stuff. Some kids games, kids movies. Some quick navigation. Alright, so this is interesting. I'm having a complete signal loss on my TV screen, but everyone else's seems to be running. So the service goes in and out, it's a bit choppy. So I'm just editing videos right now from cruise that I was still on over a month ago. And I was wrong, they do bring the drink carts down. So, even though you can still just work straight from the entertainment system. But I guess not everybody's totally motivated to do that, so they still bring it up and down so they can sell more stuff. And so we're a little bit less than halfway out. We have 3 hours and 20 minutes left to go. Should be a little bit faster flight than going west because we have the Gulf Stream behind us, but this is what I wanted to show you. The seat reclining here really sucks. It only goes back like 2 or 3 inches. So we got nice quality leather seats, nice infotainment system and whatnot. The recline is the worst. So there we go. Alright, this is my lunch that I ordered. Popcorn here for $3.25, a turkey sandwich of some type for, I think this was $7. They give you a little chocolate with it, and then free ginger ale as well. Water and the soft drinks and the standard coffee are free, but you pay for all the other drinks and food and that kind of stuff. So here we are, we're about 40 minutes out now. And I want to say I think the air quality on Virgin America is better than some of the other airlines I've been on. It smells like you're breathing fresh air all the time, not garbage air like on a lot of other airlines. So we're taking a bit of an unusual flight path. Normally when you fly into Florida, you come down here, go straight over Alligator Alley and then land straight in the airport this way. But today we're flying out over Vero Beach, and I guess we're going to make a right turn. I guess the winds are coming such that we need to do that. We're rocking and rolling right now.
The seatbelt signs have turned on. Please return to your seat. Fasten your seatbelt. Thank you.
Yeah, right on time with the seatbelts. So now you can see we've made our first bank and we're heading south, and we'll make another right turn and go straight into the airport, which is right on the coast. So we're about 5 minutes out. We took a weird looking flight path here. A couple turns. Looks like we're slight bank now.
To Fort Lauderdale. For everyone's safety, please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign's been turned off. Do be careful when retrieving your items from the bins overhead. They may have moved during our flight. Airplane mode is no longer required, so please feel free to make a phone call. Thanks for flying Virgin America this morning. We sincerely hope you enjoyed your experience, and we look forward to seeing you again very soon. Have a wonderful evening.
Alright, so we took the weirdest flight path in. Instead of coming straight in like this, we went up, right, and then we took a big left sharp turn, 90 degrees, and came back in the normal way. So maybe that had to do with avoiding some storms or something like that. Not sure. Now we'll have another quick look here at first class. Oh, they get special seat cleaning and everything good there. Sanitization of everything. There's the other seats.
Anybody tell you you look like Seinfeld?
All the time.
All the
Thanks,
time.
guys.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, Jerry Seinfeld. Alright guys, well that's the flight on Virgin America coach. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please like the video, share it to your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have a couple other flight videos as well. And please stay tuned for the next one.